to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're gonna let you know how to generate unlimited AI images absolutely free. You don't need to log in or pay anything. First of all, open Chrome browser and go to this tool which is cdream.pro. You can note this domain, it's cdream.pro. Okay, now you can see this small box here which is prompt box. You have to input a prompt. You can choose the shape or ratio of the image. Let's say I'm gonna check a person playing football. I'm gonna choose the ratio from here, and you just have to wait a few seconds and you will see the results in just few seconds. You can see the high quality images. This is absolutely amazing. And you can create unlimited AI images from here. There's also a photo editor where you can upload any image. Let's say I'm gonna upload this one from here and select. Now write a prompt. Let's say I want to change the sky from background. Write editing prompt here, and after that you have to choose the ratio in which you want the output, and after captcha click generate, and you will see the results in just few seconds. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this one, make sure to subscribe and check out other videos from our playlist. I'll see you in the next one.